Say, hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. I'm eating my new big bottle. It's 5 ounces. And Mom found a way to change my diaper and feed me at the same time. So what a convenient thing to do. I'm just going to sit here and talk. So this is my little feet. Mom is going to change my diaper. Yeah. Good pee. Say hi. Okay, Mom's gonna put my diaper on. I gotta go. Bye!